Introduction to software. Understanding the programs and instructions that power every computer, phone, and smart device. Hardware, program systems, apps. A complete beginner to professional IT course presentation. The basics. What is software? Definition. Software is a set of programs and instructions that tells computer hardware exactly what task to perform. Hardware, the physical parts of a computer you can touch and see. CPU, RAM, keyboard, monitor. Example. Real world example. When you open Google Chrome, browse to the internet on your laptop. Chrome is the software and the laptop is the hardware running it. Software, the programs and instructions that run on hardware. Example Windows, Chrome, MS Word. How they work together. Hardware provides the physical power, software gives it purpose. Neither is useful alone. A computer without a software is just an empty machine. Introduction to software that fundamental course. Classification. Types of software. System software manages and controls the computer's own hardware and resources. Application software designed on help to help users perform specific everyday tasks. Example Windows, Mac OS, Linux drivers. Example MS Word, Chrome, Photoshop. Utility of software keeps the system healthy, secure, and running smoothly. Examples antiviruses, text cleanup, backup tools. Programming software used by developers to write, test, and build programs. Example VS Code and Finance and compilers. Everyday examples common computer software Windows operating system, MS Office, productivity, Google Chrome, web browser, media player, entertainment, antiviruses, security, graphic design, creativity, video editing, creativity, AI software, intelligence. Introduction to software. What is software installation? Definition. Installation is the process of setting up a program on a computer so it can be opened and used. Why software needs to installed? Copies necessary files and onto a storage device, configures the program to work with our system, creates shortcuts so it's easy to open again, registers the app so updates and removal work correctly. For key stages, download the installer, run this setup file, choose the installation options, complete installation. How to install software? Step by step process. Download, open installer, accept terms, choose option, install, finish, open software. Tip: always read each screen carefully before clicking next. Rushing through installation is the most common cause of unwanted extra programs. Staying current. Software updates. What is a software update? A new version of a program released by its developer to improve it after installation. Automatic was manual updates. Automatic install by itself in the background. Manual. You choose when to check and install. Bug fixes. Correct errors and crashes. Security patches. Security units. New features. Edit fresh tools and operation performance. Make software run quickly. Best practices: safe software installation. Download from trusted sources. Use official website or verified app stores only. Check name and publisher. Confirm that software is developer they look legitimate. Avoid suspicious downloads. Skip pop-ups, ads, and unknown file sharing links. Read options carefully. Review every installation screen before clicking next. Skip unnecessary programs. Untick blind extras and toolbars you didn't ask for. Keep security software active. Always run protection in the background. Real world application. Uses of software, education, official work, graphic design, video editing, programming, business, communication, gaming, artificial intelligence. Why it matters. Advantages of software: saves time, complete tasks in seconds and once tools hours, makes work easier, simplifies complex repetitive activities, increases productivity, helps people and teams got more returns, automates tasks, run routine jobs without manual effort, solve problems, provide tools to analyze and fix issues. Powerful tools give access to advanced capabilities. What boosts learning and creativity, open doors to new skills and ideas. Keeping systems healthy, software maintenance, keep software updated, install apps as soon as they are available, remove unused apps, uninstall programs you are no longer needed, keep enough storage, leave free space for smooth performance, backup important data, save copies of files in a safe place, use trusted security and software, run antiviruses and firewall protection, restart when required, some updates only apply after a restart. Now you know the difference. Software was hardware. Hardware the parts you can physically touch. Software the instructions that bring to life. Physical tangible parts of a computer can be seen and touched. wears out physically over time, needs software to become useful. Example CPU, RAM, keyboard, monitor. Software. Programs and sets of instructions cannot be physically touched, can be updated, copy or removed, tells hardware exactly what to do. Example Windows, Chrome, MS Word. Test your knowledge quick quiz. What is software? A. A physical part of a computer. B. A set of programming instructions. A type of keyboard. A type of keyboard. Or D. A power cable. Which is an example of system software. A. MS Word. B. Chrome. C. Windows. D. Photoshop. Which of these is a utility software? A. Antivirus. B. Video game. C. Web browser. D. Media player. Why do we install software updates? A. To delete files. B. To fix bugs and improve security. C. To slow the PC. To remove hardware. D. What should you check before installing software? A. Screen brightness. B. Trusted source and publisher. C. Wallpaper color. D. Battery size. Give me answer in comments. Course recap, final summary. What is software? Programs and instructions that run on the hardware. Types of software. System application, utility and program. Installation, download, setup and configure a program. Updates, bug fixes, security features and performance. Safe practices, trusted sources and careful installation. Uses of advantages, powers, education, work, creativity and more. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. Now you understand the software that powers our digital world.